Happy Halloween, everyone! And since today is one of the most creepiest days of this year, so I'm gonna be creating a last minute gothic and vampire inspired look that you can do in just 10 minutes, and it's for your last minute party. So I have already prepped my skin. I'm gonna be using a liquid foundation, and after that I'm using a concealer to cover my imperfections. You should also use a very good concealer so that it covers your discolorations or patches whatever you have, and then it's gonna be making your face much more defined and where your makeup is just gonna stand out. Setting everything with a loose powder or a compact powder, whatever is suitable for you, and that's gonna give your makeup a very vampirish kind of a look, because we are doing this kind of a makeup where it doesn't need to be very oily or dewy. And then after that I'm gonna be using some little bit of blush. You can use just a little bit of blush because it's not gonna be too much pinky. And then I'm contouring my face because it's gonna be defining your features, and for this kind of a look you need a very defined face. After being done with the face, we are gonna move to the eyes, and for that I'm using the shade of cream or beige over my eyelids, and we're gonna be creating a strong contour this time over our eyes so that it looks very structured and spooky. With the help of this deep brown eyeshadow, we are going to create a strong crease line, and because we are going for this look, and just be very generous with this because you wanna use a lot of products so as to create a strong crease line. And yeah, you don't need to blend too much, but then this contour should be very much visible. And now I'm gonna be underlining my eyes and also overlining with this kajal, and in this look you need a very sharp eyeliner. So yes, I'm gonna be filling my eyes with this, and then we are gonna be smudging this as well. Now it's time to fill the eyebrows, and you need to fill the eyebrows really nicely, and then doesn't need to be any gaps. So yes, you need to be very generous with this as well. It's time to add some highlighter as well now to the brow bones, and then the inner corner of your eyes, and a little bit above your eyes as well. And this is gonna make your makeup so much more nicer. Now we're gonna be completing our eyes with the lots of mascara. You can put lashes if you want, and it's gonna make your eyes stand out. Moving on to the lips, we're gonna be using a black lip liner, and you need to line your lips really well. And now I'm using this maroon lipstick from Lakme, and just gonna fill my lips with this color, and it just gives a very gothic and vampirish kind of a look. The deeper the lipstick, it looks more and more like stunning. And then after this I'm just creating this look, so just some blood coming out of my mouth, and then I'm also putting some over my neck, and this just gives the look much more edgy. And now I'm totally ready, guys. This was my easy Halloween makeup look that you can do last minute, so definitely try this out because it's Halloween today. And do let me know if you like this makeup, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, happy Halloween.